Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to talk about the shift from asynchronous to synchronous counter. Why this shift is needed. So, if we try to remember about the previous class, we talked about ripple counter, its functionality, working principle, and also we saw some example, timing diagram, everything in details. Ripple counter was a asynchronous counter. We have a counter to count, but that is asynchronous. So why we need synchronous counter? That is the question. So try to find out the answer. If we want to recap, what is an asynchronous counter, which is also known as ripple counter, where flip-flops are triggered one after another. If you remember, the clock pulse applied only at the first flip-flop, and the output of one flip-flop is work as the clock signal for the next, and this is why there creates a delay, and delay increases with each stage. So what is the limitation in asynchronous counter? The limitations are propagation delay, which is a major issue to deal with, especially when we want to include more components in a system. Then if any single component is giving very large propagation delay, then this is not a good system at all, not suitable for high speed or precision circuit. And the last one, difficult to synchronize with other components. That is why we need synchronous counters, where all flip-flops receive the clock signal simultaneously. So there is no propagation delay at all, no ripple delay, better performance and higher speed. In the next video, I will try to give a detailed lecture on synchronous counters with some examples, and I hope that you will guys enjoy that video also. So for today, this is end here. Assalamu alaikum. Stay tuned with us.